Want to make money with AI without writing a single line of code? Today, I'm showing you the exact tools changing the game in 2026. Forget needing to be a tech genius. Anyone can do this. Whether you're a student, side hustler, or business owner, these tools can boost your income automatically. No coding, no headaches, just results. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your first project. Let's dive in. First up, AI copywriting tools like ChatGPT Turbo and Jasper. These apps write blogs, emails, social posts, anything you need in seconds. People are making real money on Upwork and Fiverr, acting as the middleman between clients and AI. Here's how: sign up for a tool. Find a freelance gig. Paste the client's request into the AI, make quick edits, and deliver. Repeat for multiple clients, and you've got a real business. No writing degree, just copy, paste, and profit. This is the easiest way to start making money with AI. Next, let's talk visuals. AI image and video generators like Midjourney and InVideo. Describe what you want, and the AI creates stunning graphics or videos in seconds. Sell your creations on Etsy or Fiverr. Digital art, t-shirt designs, social media graphics, video ads. No design experience needed, just your ideas. Every business needs visuals, and now you can provide them fast and cheap. Start a creative agency from your bedroom with nothing but these tools. This could be you by the end of the day. Now, automation, where AI runs your business for you. Tools like Zapier and Make connect your favorite apps, automating tasks like updating spreadsheets, sending emails, and posting on social media. Set it up once and let the bots handle everything. Sales, customer emails, bookings, 24/7. This is how you scale from side hustle to empire without hiring a team. Free up your time and let AI work for you. Build a business that earns money, even while you sleep. Don't just take my word for it. Real people are making real money with these tools. Sarah from the UK made over $600 her first week writing product descriptions with AI, no experience needed. Mark, a US college student, sells AI-generated art on Etsy to pay for tuition. No inventory, just digital files. These aren't tech experts. They're everyday people. All it takes is the willingness to try. Their success proves anyone can do this. We've covered AI writing, design, automation, and real success stories. This is just the beginning. AI is evolving fast, and I'll be sharing every new strategy right here. Subscribe and hit the bell for the latest, most actionable AI money-making tips. No fluff, just real, practical guides. Stay ahead of the curve, and don't miss the next big opportunity. Subscribe now, and let's make money with AI together. You have the blueprint, content, visuals, automation, all with easy-to-use AI tools. The only thing left is to take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Comment below with the AI tool you're most excited to try. I read every comment. Now stop watching, start doing, and let's go make some money.